Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and today I am cooking up another delicious mouth-watering food for you. You know, as I said before, our health is our wealth. It doesn't matter the amount of money you have in your bank account. If you are not healthy, you're poor as a dog. Now for my first time viewers that are joining me, welcome. Now today I am cooking up collard green. Collard greens is rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, name them, iron. Oh gosh, I just love collard green. It reminds me of callaloo. For those who are Caribbean, you know callaloo. Callaloo is rich in iron. If you're anemic and you eat callaloo, it brings your blood count back up. This is the same thing as collard green. So if you're anemic, low blood count, that's what anemic is, and you eat callaloo, it brings your blood count back up. It's the same as collard green. They are a source of vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, magnesium, and so on and so on. I will insert those below in the description box. Now, our health is our wealth. And I'm trying to be healthy, and I'm trying to be fit and lose the weight that I put on in quarantine. And I'm sure you're trying to do the same thing too. So every one of these meals that I bring to you today, they're delicious. And also, not to mention the wonderful things do for your body inside. And when your body is happy inside, all your organs are happy inside, it reflects on your outside. Now let's get started. Now I'm using collard green with salt fish. This is what we call it, salt fish, as in salt in fish in Jamaica, but I know you guys call it codfish here. This is the fillet one. It's got a lot of salt to it. So what I do to minimize the salt, I wash it more than once in cold water to just get the salt out of it. And then I cooked it just again to get the salt out of it, and then it's fresh and normal can eat. I'm gonna hot it with my collard greens because I don't eat collard greens by itself. I like to add something to it. Just as though when you're eating callaloo, you want to add some salt. Fish is the same thing. They cook the same way. And I can use all prep, my carrots, my pepper, my garlic, my onions, and my collard greens. This is all I need to cook with today. So now all vegetables, they need water. So first I'm just going out the collard green in my pot here. In my pot. I'm going to put it on the stove. Just like callaloo. Vegetables make water, so you just a little bit of water I put in the pot. And
that's good.
as usual, I have to try. You love the taste. I should be one of those food critics that go around and taste food. I am biased, of course, but my food is yummy. I am not gonna eat this all by myself. I have someone coming over, so that person will get some and take some, of course, home. So, because this is just so much, and I'm never gonna go hungry. Mouth watering. I love collard green. It just has so much vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin C, which we need vitamin C for our skin. Vitamin E. It's just so many antioxidant, iron, like all these good stuff that our body crave and our body need. All of these food are just yummy, and you can lose weight from these food because they are not high in calories. They're very low in calories, but calcium, they have it, and we need calcium for our bones. And even I told you about collagen powder. Up to collagen powder you can add in your food when you cook. Just sprinkle some collagen powder over your food. Or just add it in your tea and your water. So like all these food are just delish. And it's my pleasure cooking for you. Now, if you are not a subscriber yet to Trending with Victoria, right there where you see subscribe and it's written in red, please click the subscribe button and make sure you click on the bell so you get all notifications when I upload my new videos, Fridays, Sundays, and Tuesdays. And drop me a comment below. I love reading your comment. As you see that, I reply back to comments, so please drop me a comment below as well. And just enjoy your yummy dinner and let's lose weight together. Let's drop the pounds together, guys. So this is all that I have to say. I will put the recipe below in my description box, and also I may just add it in my comment as well. So either way, you guys can just click. And not to mention, catch my other video that I did. If you have not seen my other videos yet, go back and catch my other video, watched it. I did healthy snacks, I did breakfast, and I did dinner. So go and catch me. I love you guys for watching.